Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another Shoe Snob unboxing video series, One Take Wonders. Here we are with something old and new. So old meaning I've showcased this brand before. New meaning they have done something unique that I don't think I've ever seen before. I'm not sure they were first in history, but I'm not in this sector of the industry. So let's jump straight into it. The brand I'm showcasing today is Septieme Largeur. Obviously, my French accent is not that great, but I think you guys know the brand. You've seen me talk about them before. They're relatively well known. All right, let's take a look. I hope you guys can hear me okay. It's hot in New York and I got the AC on, and you know, ACs make a lot of noise. All right, so let's just quickly look at the well, first, the model I got, Soho. Basically it's a pair of sneakers in here and I'm going to show you. So Soho, I got a 41, which is usually a UK 7 US 8. In reality, you know, most dress shoes I wear 40 and a half because I wear dress socks, I wear them tight. Sneakers fit a little different, and most sneaker brands don't have half sizes, so I go up with the 41, and it gives me actually the room I like. A 40 and a half in a sneaker is a bit too close. So yeah, let's take a look. Presentation is nice. We got the beautiful maroon colored bags here, 2 pair, nice drawstrings, felt lines. Got the sneakers wrapped in plastic. There's another divider here, which is nice. A spare set of laces, which looks like it matches the gum sole, and a nice metal shoehorn. So, very nice. All right, let's put this away. All right, let's take these out of the plastic and let's take a look at what we got. So, nice that these laces kind of match the gum sole there, which would be an interesting look. Not sure if I would do it personally, but I might give it a try and see how it goes, just to be different. So what we have here, and you might not be able to see it in the camera, is a pair of deerskin leather, which is very cool in my opinion. So I mean, a little bit of backstory. Growing up selling shoes at Nordstrom, deerskin you found on these super high-end house slippers, and they were so soft like butter. But never did anybody make like dress shoes in deerskin. It was just this house slipper brand. I can't even recall what they're called. It was an American, I'm pretty sure it was an American brand. I don't even know if they're around anymore, to be honest. That was 17 years ago. So what's funny is I'm starting to see deerskin pop out a little bit more in the kind of higher end shoe industry. So I can't recall where I've seen the other one. I want to say it was on some loafers, but interesting that Septieme Largeur did it here and did so on in white, because normally deerskin you tend to see it tanned in brown. So a white deerskin is quite unique. Not something I've personally ever seen before. So for those of you that have never tried deerskin, it is incredibly soft and supple. It's like the butter of leathers. So yeah, I think Septieme Largeur did something smart here. Naturally, you tend to always see a white sneaker with a white sole, so I like that they did something unique. They did a gum sole, which is cool. You got an interesting design here. I like the little stitch that goes up the face, the facing, I guess is what it should be called, is what it's called in a dress shoe. I've never seen that stitch quite like that before. They got a nice classic kind of sneaker last on the shoes. Nice branding on the sole there, SL. Oh, excuse me, not SL, 7L. I'm thinking S for Septieme, which is 7th, so 7L. Yeah, great shoe for summer. The 41 fits great like I expected it to. It's really kind of, most sneakers for the most part are relatively straightforward in sizing. It's another discussion altogether, but sneaker lasts are not like dress shoe lasts. They don't vary so much. And if they do, the company invested a lot to customize, which is no easy feat, let me tell you that much. So anyway, I think these are super great. I like Septieme's little details that they got. Another cool.
Having trouble connecting to the internet.
Oh,
Take a look at the help section.
my Alexa is talking. Please forgive me for that one. I like the details there. The 7L on the back end, that's really cool. Also, this little high up detail to really lock your heels in. And then it's hard to know if this is gonna cause blisters. This reminds me of the Adidas Samba, and those used to tear my heels up, but those weren't as well made, obviously, and not nicely leather lined. So it'll be curious to see how this feels, but I look forward to wearing these and really testing the deerskin, because it's my first pair of deerskin anything. I always thought in the future when I got older I'd buy a pair of those house slippers, but again, I don't think they're around anymore. Anyway, these for Europeans go for 195 euros. If you are outside of the EU, you deduct the VAT off of that. I don't even know what that is. It's like, if I recall, because I used to sell things at this price point, I mean, it's essentially 20% less, thereabouts. So not a bad deal, good quality, nice shoe, very beautiful leather, felt comfortable when I slipped it on, so that was a plus. Nothing like uncomfortable sneakers. It's like an oxymoron. Sneakers are meant to be comfortable. So nice that it felt good, felt supportive. And yeah, I wouldn't hesitate too long. If you like these, white sneakers always go quick, and I think this concept is really cool, so I'm sure that it is going to be successful. Anyway, happy to bring you something different this time. I hope you've enjoyed it. And again, do check them out. As I'm saying this, Septieme Largeur is also having their summer sale with discounts up to 30%. That is July 2nd, 2021. So if you watch this video much after July 2nd, chances are their sale might be over. But anyway, if you're watching on the first day, definitely go check them out. Check out the sneakers, check out their sale. They're great people behind the brand, so don't hesitate to support. They have my full blessing and backing. And thank you as always for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to share, make sure to like, and I wish everybody an amazing 4th of July weekend. For those of us here in the US that celebrate that. For the rest of you, have a great weekend nonetheless. Enjoy being with your loved ones. Have a great day, and thank you again for all your support. Take care. Bye.